All right, we're beginning week 3. This is Monday. Date is 5/11. We're doing 6.8 coordinate grids. When graphing ordered pairs in a coordinate plane, remember to move along the x-axis first and then the y-axis. One way to remember this is that you must walk x-axis into the elevator before you travel up or down y-axis. Think C to identify the quadrant locations. Okay, so we need to go ahead and label the origin, axis, and quadrants of the coordinate plane. Okay, so we start with x is the horizontal. We have x, y, just like the horizontal and vertical. If x and y is in alphabetical order, horizontal and vertical is also in alphabetical order. So this is your x-axis. Up and down is your y-axis. And where the two meet at the 0 is called your origin. Now in addition to that, we have the quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called a coordinate grid. So coordinate starts with a C, and that just told us where to label each of our things. So here, this is quadrant 1. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. You may also see it as 1, 2. Roman numerals has the line above it. Sometimes, depending on your font, it's not going to have the line above it. 3 and 4 is you have the 5 with the 1 in front of it, because you're taking 1 away from 5. Easy way to remember that, 1, 2, and 3 is easy. If you don't know what that is, it's the only one left, so it's got to be 4. All right, so down here, we're told which graphed point is best represented as -7, 0. So we start at the origin, and first of all, we do the -7, x, y, horizontal then vertical, -7, 0. So 0 is our x, it's horizontal, right or left. So we come over -7. So far it looks like M is going to be our only option because it's the only one that's over -7. And then 0, the y, the vertical, it does not go up, does not go down. So it's 0. It's 0 up, 0 down. M is our answer. So D, point M. Number 3, directions. Use the given numbers to create an ordered pair representing a point on the x-axis. So it's -6, -2, 0, 3, and 5. So the key to remember is this is x and this is y. Remember what we said before, the x, if it's anywhere on that x, it can be any number on that x. So the x can be any number. But the y, if it's on the line, if it is this line somewhere on here, then it can't go off the line. So it goes up 0, it goes down 0. The y has got to equal the 0. So it could be -6, 0, -2, 0, 3, 0, or 5, 0. You cannot have 0, 0 because you only have 1, 0. You can't use it twice. Number 4, it says which point is located at -5, 1. So our x, y is -5, 1. The first one is horizontal and vertical, so -5 is horizontal, which is left and right. 1 is vertical, which is up or down. So we come over here, -5, and we come all the way over to -5, and then it says a +1, so we come up to 1. So point L is our answer. So A, point L is our answer. And then on number 5, we have which of the following would be located in quadrant 2. Circle all correct choices. So again, on quadrant 2, we've got our x and our y. If we'd make a C for coordinate, and we count over, this would be 1 and this would be 2. So this is quadrant 2. This is the origin. And first we go over, so that's going to be negative. And then we go up, so that's going to be positive. So we want anything that's a negative and then a positive could be in quadrant 2. We don't want anything with zeros because that would be on the axis. So we've got positive, negative, but remember the negative is first. Negative is first, then a positive, that's an answer. Negative is first, then a positive, that's an answer. Positive, positive, negative, and then a positive, negative, and a negative, 0, 0. So you have 3 possible answers.